Atamari e Whānau and tamariki mā. We're going to do a medley today, and the medley means three, okay? So we're going to do three songs, and we're doing A, E, I, O, U, our colour song, and then O Marapiti, all right? And now I'm just going to go over the actions with you, all right? So first of all, can everybody say ah? Now, E, I, O, U. Then we go piko and toro, all right? And that's the pronunciation of that. Now I'm going to show you the actions, all right? So we go A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Piko. Piko, 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 toro, piko, toro, 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 piko, toro. Now we're going to do Mars White, all right? And I'm going to do the sign language. So now we're going to do Māori, English, and sign. So the three official languages of New Zealand. All right, so here we go. Ma is white, Whero is red, Kakariki green, Pango is black, Mangu is two. Ready? A, E, I, O, U. Parodi. Parodi brown. Oh, twice. Parodi brown. Kowhai yellow. Kikorangi blue. Waiporo is purple. A, E, I, O, U. Alright, and then we go O Marapiti, our last song. Oma means run, and rapiti with the ears, and that's all the actions. So we go O Marapiti, O Marapiti, Oma, Oma, Oma. And then when we go down to here, Paku, Paku. So we go Paku, Paku, Paku. Te pu o te pakia. O marapiti, o marapiti, oma, oma, oma. Okay, right, we're going to do the actions now, all right? I just got to put the words on properly so you can see them. There you go. Okay, here we go. Now that you guys have seen the actions, you should be able to do the actions, right? Okay? Okay, here we go. So we start off with A, E, I, O, U. Toru, fa. A, E, I, O, U. A, Pico, 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 toro, pico, toro, 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 pico, toro. Okay, hands on your hips, and then you can do the Ma is white. Ma is white, Whero is red, Kakariki green. Pango is black, Mango is two. A, E, I, O, U. Parodi brown, Kowhai yellow, Kikorangi blue. Waiporo, Waiporo is purple. A, E, I, O, U. O marapiti, O marapiti, O marapiti, O ma, O ma, O ma. beautiful. That was really great. I just want to tell you about the piko. So you know the piko, when you go into the bush and there you can see all the ferns. So the piko is the monkey tail that grows up like this, and that's why it goes up like that. That's why the action is piko, because it goes like this. And then when it's toro and it grows, it flattens out into the fern. Pretty cool, eh? So piko is the monkey tail, and then it flattens out for toro. Okay, great to see you guys, and keep safe in your bubble, and ka kite anō.